guys, my name is Om. You are watching Om's Art Studio. Today we will go on over the anatomy and structure of the eyes. The position. So, as you all know that the eyeballs are situated deep inside the eye socket. The eyeballs are very sensitive, that's why the eyelid is present. Remember, the eyelid is just a covering on the eyeball. The eyelid. Don't draw the eyelid directly. Always use the guidelines. I draw 3 plates on the upper lid and 2 plates on the lower lid. Now it's time to draw a very basic and simple structure of the eyes. First, draw the eyeball. Now mark the 3 points to draw the upper eyelid. As I said, there are 2 plates in the lower eyelid. Now your eyelid concepts are cleared. The highlights of the eyelid. It's time to give a finishing touch by giving the perfect highlights on the perfect place. Normally the light is falling from the upper direction, therefore the highlight will be seen over here and the darker portion will appear on the upper lid. How the shape of the eyelid changes every time. As you can see, the eyeball is in the center of the eyelids. As it moves toward the right direction, you will notice that the shape of the eyelid is changed. The only difference is that the 2 plates on the upper lid become smaller and bigger. These eyelid concepts are very important for an artist who draw an eye. If you want to watch more informative videos like this, so please like this video and press the subscribe button given below. Now I think your eyelid concepts are very well cleared, so let's move forward. Very interesting topic, the eyelashes. As you can see here, here or here, you will notice that the eyelashes are in a bunch, they are in a group. Also, you have to use these concepts in your drawing. I draw first the main hair on which we have to group the lashes. This is a very simple and easiest trick to draw the eyelashes. If you have any problem about these concepts, so you can ask me in the comment box. Let's recall and take a overlook on these ideas. Always draw the guidelines for the eyelid. When the eyeball turns, the shape of the eyelid changes. Always draw the eyelashes in a group. Guys, these are the very basic and simplest ideas to draw some parts of the eye. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. I am your guide Om and you are watching Om's Art Studio.